Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can increase your Facebook Marketplace sales on your Facebook shop. And it's all about the root causes that you may have not thought about, right? So a lot of people think like, oh, if I change the title, my sales would go up, or if I change my products, my sales would go up. But in this video that I pulled from Dustin and Rachel's 10-minute workday paid course, I was able to request the video. They're going to show you how to tackle the sales problem by tackling the root causes, right? So I'm actually going to stop talking in a little bit and I'm just going to play the video of Rachael and she's going to show you guys what they found that can improve sales, right? So just a reintroduction of them. This person right here, her name is Rachael, and this person right here, his name is Dustin. They are a couple with kids and they've sold over $250,000 last year with margins of 30 to 60%. They have their own program, but I was like, hey, listen, even if people don't get your program, I want them to get value. So that's why we're going to put this video out there. So regardless of if you get their program or not, you're still going to gain knowledge from them coming onto our channel. Now, the other thing is, if you do decide to sign up for their program, please use the coupon code down below. It's $500 off of their program. You get it for $500 off. And not only that, Fbmfox gets a kickback from you signing up. So we're going to share that back with you. And if you sign up with Fbmfox code, the code Fbmfox on 10minuteworkday.com, we're going to give you Fbmfox for free for 1 month, the $50 plan, right? So it's like a win-win. You guys win, we win, everybody wins. And yeah, I'm basically going to let Rachael take it away and I'll be back for the outro. So see you guys.
Hey, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can increase your sales on shops and your marketplace. Now, when someone comes to me and they say, hey, I'm not making the number of sales I want to make, or maybe they're making hardly any sales at all, I always ask them 3 questions. Number 1, how many products are you listing every single day? You would be surprised, but the answer is usually hardly any at all, or yeah, I listed 10 products and now those aren't selling, or whatever the case may be. Or maybe you've listed hundreds of items and you're still not seeing the same results. But the key here for this business is consistently and continually to list products to your marketplace and shop. Now, marketplace, you do have to be careful. You don't want to list too many each day because that can flag your account, but you can work up to where you're listing 25, even 30 products a day. Everyone has their cap of how many they will list to their personal marketplace, but you should definitely be listing more than 10 products a day if you want to start seeing results on your personal marketplace. Now, for shops, we are listing anywhere from 50 to 100 products a day. And you can even list more. You do want to be listing a lot of products because that's where you're going to see the life-changing numbers. So that's number 1. Number 2, how is your account health? This is very, very crucial, both on your personal marketplace and your shops. If you have your personal marketplace and you just saw your sales go from right here and they just took a deep dive, you need to check your ad account. Most likely you have some banned products in that ad account that were flagged by Facebook and now they're suppressing your listings because you're not valued as a trusted seller. So you definitely want to clear those up. You want to delete those listings. You want to get those out of your shop or out of your marketplace and you want to clean it up. Now on your shops, how you get there, you'll see behind me, let me move my face. On your shop, you're going to want to come to your commerce manager. You're going to want to go to your catalog and come down to issues. Any listing that there are problems with are going to show up right here, and you're just going to want to delete those immediately. The sooner you delete banned or flagged products, the sooner you delete those from your shop, the less impact it has on your account health. So our rule of thumb, when we list a product or if our VAs list a batch of products, we have them check back in 1 to 2 hours and they are checking to see if any of them were restricted and they erase those immediately and you shouldn't see an impact on your account health. Now it can take, a couple of hours for Facebook to flag them, sometimes even days, but you just want to be checking this section every single day to make sure there's no issues with your account. The third question I ask is, what type of products are you listing? If you're just listing any and everyday products, it's kind of a gamble. You're just throwing things on there, hoping they stick, and sometimes that does work. But if you take it a step further and do product research, you're listing products that are already selling on Facebook, that is crucial. Watch the video in the course, How to Do Product Research on Facebook. That is the best place you can do product research. If you're an Amazon seller, you're not going to research what's selling well on Walmart and put it on Amazon. You're going to research what's selling on Amazon and put that on Amazon. The same logic applies to Facebook. If you can find out what is selling well on Facebook and you list those products or similar products, your success is going to be so much greater than just listing random products that you hope will sell. Ask yourself those 3 questions, and if there's any of those areas that you need to work on, just make it your goal this week to change a few things in your business and to start implementing those techniques, and you should start seeing better results. Thanks for watching.
All right, so that was Rachel. Thank you, Rachel, so much. Thank you for giving us that video. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get the $500 off. If you do plan to join their course, you can go to 10minworkday.com. And here is their landing page. You guys can read through their information and what they have to offer. And then you can click on Join Now. Once you click on Join Now, you can go ahead and enter your information and then click on Continue. And once you're here, you want to enter a promo code. You can click on Enter Promo Code and type in Fbmfox, right? So Fbmfox. And you will find yourself a clean $500 off of their entire program, right? So their program has a lot of things, and if you're a new seller, and you plan to get this, then it is very advantageous to you if you go ahead and do this, right? Because not only do you get the $500 off, but you also get Fbmfox for free for 1 month, right? So we waive your $50 subscription fee. Any plan, $50 or less, you get it for absolutely free your first month, right? So now if you don't care about the course and you're a seller and you like our software, then go ahead and try it out. Link in the description below. 7 days free. You can try Fbmfox and cancel anytime, or use our free forever lister. And we'll see you guys in the next video with another great software update.